My name is Rich Fitzgerald. I'm the president of Fitzgerald and Sons Plumbing Company. One of the biggest benefits we've seen at Fitzgerald and Sons Plumbing as it relates to Viewpoint's Vista suite of products is the reporting capability. And we can attack reports from kind of different angles, from SSSR reports, which are pretty slick, being able to drill down. And the other reporting platform, so to speak, is Crystal Reports, which is highly customizable. One of the things we did when we first got the product was basically use all the existing reports in there. And over the last 2 years, we've been slowly modifying and tweaking the reporting, which is very inexpensive, but extremely helpful. The big thing is the data's there, so you can pull out pretty much anything, slice it and dice it 8 ways to Sunday. You know, the integration in and of itself is a tremendous time saver. If you're sharing the same data, to me, it's just such a no-brainer. Particularly, you know, when you have a large, complex job. We're almost finished with a very large emergency department addition and renovation in Grady Hospital, which is the main city hospital. An extremely complicated project for us. And so many change orders, pending change orders, and being able to track all of that stuff and have it tie into accounting is just incredibly important, because we never got it out of our other solution.